Alright guys, welcome back for episode 2 of the lock blasting series. Today I got LockPickingLawyer here beside me.
How you doing, folks?
And we are going to be attacking some abuses today. We've got two of the most popular abuses. This is the aluminum body 7240, and we'll probably hit this with a 9mm. My bet is a 9mm would take this guy out.
The 9mm did a number on a similar Master Lock product last time, so I'm hopeful.
And this one's a little bit smaller, so I'm thinking 9mm at best. This one's a different story. This
I think it's going to give us a run for our money.
An ABUS 3455. These were bought and spec'd by the New York City Housing Authority, so very tough, very heavy lock, nice shackle on this thing, and a tough pick on top of all of that.
Do we even bother with the 45 on that?
I would say no, because of the weight of this thing. Let's go straight to the 223.
That sounds good to me.
And then we'll escalate things from there. So let's go ahead and put them on the jig and get to blasting.
Sounds like a plan.
Alright, so I hit the chain a couple of times, aiming a little high. So one good hit though, I think is all it took to get that guy. It broke, actually broke the shackle, didn't it?
Yep, looks like you hit it right here.
Yeah.
And
I think a lot of that. Alright, we have a lot of damage on this lock. Not so apparent from the front, but when you turn it around, you can see the body of this lock is beginning to crack right down the central axis in the back, but in the front it is still undamaged. So I think if we had hit it, instead of putting 3 shots there, if we'd kind of done it along the line here, it probably would have split it right down the center.
okay, well, next time I'll put a zipper on the lock.
Yeah, let's put a zipper on there with maybe some Velcro.
Okay, I think
All right,
a 308 will finish that off.
Let's go ahead and put a 308 on it and see what happens. I'll try to hit it down a little bit lower, see if we can, with one shot, break this bad boy open. It's very close, huh? I think we still got some steel holding that thing together. Look at that, man. That is mangled.
Nah, if we were to hit this with something, it would... I don't think there's anything holding this.
Just a shackle.
Just the shackle holding it.
Just a shackle holding it.
Okay. One more shot, something's going to go flying.
All right. Alright guys, let's talk a little bit about what happened out here. This one turned out to be, well, because of my poor marksmanship, I actually hit the chain, I think. I'm gonna call it 3 shots.
I still think it's 2.
Well, I'm gonna call it 3 because I can't remember. I have failing memory. We know for sure it took 1 good hit right there. I'm not sure about any, there's no other damage on the lock. So, but as soon as it hit there, this baby popped open. Not that tough, and you can see the stress of hitting it there broke that shackle off.
Yep.
Broke the tip of it off. So that's what caused him to fail. And it knocked out the little end cap. This one's a different story.
This one did all right.
This one did more than all right.
This one took 5 rounds of the 223 put a
Wow.
gaping hole through the center, and it still held fast.
You gutted it, and it still wasn't letting go. Yeah, and if I hadn't hit it just right over here, I think he'd probably still be hanging up there.
Well, the other half of it may still be flying in the air.
Yeah,
that went going.
What we're learning, though, is that shot placement really does count. You can't just hit a lock anywhere and hope that the kinetic energy of the bullet will magically open the lock.
No.
It's like, well, shot placement counts. Go to sniper school. They teach you that first.
Well, we need to think about our shot strategy then in the future, because just shots right through the center tend to seize these locks up.
Yep.
What we need to do is try to break it in half, and that's...
Or shatter it along one side that the shackle will rotate out.
That works too.
Well, it's not going to work on the next video.
The next one, yeah, we got some lever locks.
Yes, we do. We got a Chubb Battleship, and this is the older one, and this is super heavy. Lever lock, and then we have a Secure-It. Very, very heavy laminated lock.
But you'll have to come back to my channel to see that one.
Yes, you will.
Links in the description below. Looking forward to seeing you in a day or two.
All right, guys, stay safe, stay legal.